Humanity has accomplished amazing design achievements that can be seen all around the globe. We have assembled an assorted rundown of 10 such accomplishments, from staggering innovation accomplishments to fantastic man-made structures, from late history to achievements a great many years old. These structures demonstrate that when individuals cooperate to achieve a shared objective, there truly is no restriction. Here are the 10 of the greatest engineering achievements. 1. The International Space Station, ISS. First on our rundown is a space-age building achievement. The ISS was propelled in 1998 and has been circling Earth from that point forward. The station holds a group of 6 space explorers and is the biggest counterfeit article in a circle. It is 72.8 m or 239 feet long, 108.5 meters or 356 feet wide and around 20 meters or 66 feet in stature. It is big to the point that it's conceivable to see the ISS from the Earth with a stripped eye. The ISS is utilized for research in various fields of science, and of late HD cameras that send live gushing of Earth over the web were introduced. 2. The Large Hadron Collider, LHC. Still, in the field of late innovation accomplishments, the Large Hadron Collider, LHC, is the biggest molecule collider on the planet, worked in the years 1998 to 2008 by CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research. It was worked by a huge number of researchers and designers from several colleges and more than 100 nations. The LHC is a 27 kilometers or 17 miles long passage, 175 meters or 574 feet deep somewhere down in the ground underneath the outskirts of France and Switzerland. So what is the LHC utilized for? It empowers researchers to replicate the condition of the universe not long after the Big Bang and test significant speculations. In 2013, an examination of the LHC demonstrated the presence of the Higgs boson molecule. 3. The Panama Canal. The Panama Canal is a design wonder that indicates how humankind can defeat snags and live on Earth, yet make changes on its surface to, all the more likely, address its issues. Worked from 1881 till 1914, first by France from 1881 till 1904, and afterwards by the USA, the Panama Canal is 77.1 kilometers or 48-mile long counterfeit ship trench that associates the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean through Panama, therefore making an essentially critical course in global sea exchange that cuts shipping time and cost. It is one of the greatest engineering achievements in the world. The waterway has a lock at every one of its closures that lift boats to a counterfeit lake called Lake Gatun, which is 26 meters or 85 feet above ocean level, and used to cross the land to the next sea. At the point when a ship achieves the opposite side, the second lock brings it down to ocean level. 4. The Great Pyramid of Giza. The Great Pyramid of Giza is the most established and biggest of the 3 pyramids of Giza. It is the most established and the main as yet standing structure of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, and roused draftsmen and architects for a large number of years. The Great Pyramid was worked around 2560 to 2540 BC, with a stature of 146.5 meters or 481 feet, and is recorded as a UNESCO Social World Legacy Site. The monstrous structure was built completely utilizing physical work and for a long time has been a wellspring of extraordinary discussions over the accurate ways they were developed, how the gigantic squares were conveyed for long separations and to extraordinary statures without current hardware, how the mind-boggling exactness was accomplished. 5. The Channel Tunnel, the CHUNNEL. One of the greatest engineering achievements opened in 1994, the Channel Tunnel is an undersea association between England and France. At the intersection of the English Channel, the passage holds the record for the longest undersea segment, at 37.9 kilometers or 23.5 miles out of a complete length of 50.5 kilometers or 31.4 miles. The passage achieves a profundity of great 75 m or 250 feet and enables trains to go at 160 kilometers an hour or 99 miles per hour. With the Channel Borough, travelers can venture out from London to Paris in only 2 hours and 15 minutes. 6. The Great Wall of China. One of the most amazing man-made barriers, the Great Wall of China is the longest man-made structure, extending for 8,850 kilometers. It was worked in the 14th century and ensured the northern outskirts of the Chinese Empire from the assaults of roaming clans. This development is a striking accomplishment that demonstrates the industriousness and abilities of the Chinese Empire. The Great Divider is the most well-known divider and most celebrated man-made boundary on the planet. 7. Hoover Dam. Worked in the years 1931 till 1936, amid the Great Depression, the Hoover Dam is one terrific solid curve dam. It may not be one of the biggest dams on the planet today, yet its development amidst the desert in Nevada is amazing and demonstrates assurance and self-conviction. Its effect on it is encompassing, offering life to the once vacant desert by methods for power and water system water is invaluable. The dam gives power to Nevada, Arizona, and California. It is one of the greatest engineering achievements in the world. 8. Burj Khalifa Building. As of the start of 2015, the Burj Khalifa working in Dubai is by a wide margin the tallest unattached structure in the majority of the world at a stature of 828 meters or 2,717 feet and 163 stories. Finished in 2010, the tallest building is a building achievement like no other, intended to stand tremors, solid breezes and different risks. A building like that would appear to be inconceivable only a century prior. 9. The Mil Lao Viaduct. The extension structure is a key means of defeating regular impediments like waterways and ravines. In extra minutes the innovation of scaffold building improved, and starting in 2015, the Mil Lao Viaduct is at the front of that innovation. The Mil Lao Viaduct Connect is 343 meters or 1,125 foot tall, the tallest bridge on the planet. Opened in 2004, this four-path scaffold is a link-stayed extension that traverses the valley of the River Tarn close to Mil Lao in southern France. The extension is the tallest structure in France, taller than the Eiffel Tower. 10. Delta Works Flood Hindrance and the Oosterscheldekering. One of the greatest engineering achievements, the Delta Works is the biggest flood hindrance venture on the planet and one of the biggest man-made obstructions ever. Securing a vast land region in the Netherlands. It comprises several methods including dams and flood boundaries. The Oosterscheldekering or the Eastern Scheldt Storm Flood is one of those flood boundaries, and at a length of 9 kilometers or 5.6 miles, it is the biggest flood obstruction on the planet. The Oosterscheldekering is a 1.5-hour drive from Amsterdam. Delta Works is pivotal to the Netherlands as over a fourth of the nation, including over a large portion of its populace, is beneath ocean level.